Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your laptop meets the app's minimum GPU, CPU, and RAM requirements. If unsure, plug into power to avoid thermal throttling during setup. Next, choose a reputable live wallpaper application that matches your operating system, then download the correct installer. Once downloaded, run the installer and grant requested permissions, accessibility, file access, or display control, so the wallpaper can run correctly. Finally, keep backups of your current desktop settings in case you want to. Once done installing, open the app and pick the wallpaper type: video for motion, animated for particle or code-driven scenes, interactive for mouse reactive effects, because each impacts resources differently. Make sure to lower frame rate or resolution if you prioritize battery life. Change performance sliders to cap CPU or GPU usage. Configure when the wallpaper runs. Disable on battery, pause during full-screen apps, or schedule active hours. Test one configuration, observe temperatures and responsiveness, and iterate until you find. To finish, apply your chosen wallpaper and lock those settings. Enable auto start if you want it at login, but make sure it doesn't delay boot. You should test the wallpaper while doing your normal tasks, web browsing, editing, video, to ensure it doesn't cause lag or thermal spikes. If performance or display glitches appear, reset the app cache, check for the latest GPU drivers, and temporarily disable overlays or screen recording apps that may conflict. If issues persist, revert to a static background and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.